How fun,
Uncle Worry do, you know, so we're gonna carry last time.
You just saw again.
all this worry shit, right?
Uncle, see money. Uncle, wait now. You know, first before see the money. Uncle, wait now. Uncle, wait now. Uncle, wait. Uncle, okay, we'll share the money.
Pick the money fast. Pick the money quickly. Look for somebody. Charity. Charity. Ritualist. Blood money. Blood money. Hey, whoa, pastor. Pastor.
I told him that I'm a worry girl, but he wouldn't listen. I told him that we're gonna carry last now. Could you think you're wise? It's not only blood money, it's water money. Fully chunko.
Charity. Jesus Christ. Give me that money.
Uncle, that's why.
Give me the money.
Uncle, that's why you're not progressing. All your mate are there building houses, buying beds. You are here looking for money that you want to pick up and down.
Fool when it is what it is.